Hi everybody. In this video, I will show you how to use COUNTIF and COUNTIPS functions in Microsoft Excel. These functions help us to count cells based on specific conditions. This is my data set containing information about students, including their name, gender, level, and GPA. We'll use this data set to understand how COUNTIF and COUNTIPS work in real examples. Now let's go step by step and see how these functions work. First of all, I want to count the number of students. For that, I will use count A function. Count A, open parenthesis, and select the name of the students here, and then we'll get the number of students. There are 16 students. Now I want to find how many GPA values have been recorded. For that, I will use count function, and this count function is for a number. So you write equal, and then you count, select the GPA values, and I got 16. So there are 16 students, and there are 16 recorded values of GPA. Now let's move to count if and count ifs functions where we use certain criteria. In count if, we specify one criteria, but in count ifs, we have more than one criterion. I'll show you the examples. Let's see what is that criterion means. We want to know how many students are female. So that is one criterion. So how you find that is you write count if and then open parenthesis, and then you need to give a range. Range means where you want to look. We want to look gender. So you select this range and then comma and then inverted comma. What we want to look is female students, female. You have to write in under inverted comma, and then you close the parenthesis, and it will give you the number of female students. And we can also do like this: count if, and then go to gender, and then comma, and you can also click this female here. It will give you the number of female students. So you can also find the number of male students, how many students are in senior level, junior level, and so on. And let me find another one. Let me find how many students have a GPA of 4. So you can write count if, and then where do you want to see GPA? And what is your criteria? We want a GPA of 4, whether you can type, okay, type 4 or click that 4, 4.00. I'm typing here. So this count if, and you go to GPA, where in GPA, and how much GPA. We want to find the number of, 4 GPA. So how many students have a GPA of 4? And this gives you 5. That means 5 students have a GPA of 4. We can also find how many students have a GPA of more than 3.5. So we can do this way: count if, and then you go to GPA, and then inverted comma, more than 3.50. So this will give us how many students have a GPA of more than 3.50. So 10 students. This is one criterion. Then once you do this count, once you can do this count if function, then you can also do count ifs. In count ifs, we specify multiple criteria. For example, how many female students are in the senior level? We can do that because we want to know female one criterion, senior level two criterion, or we can also specify GPA. So how many female senior and then GPA of 4. We can do two criterion or more than two. Let's do first thing. We do count IFS, and then where do you want to go? Gender. And then our gender is female, and another criterion. Where do you want to look? Senior label. We go to label and then comma, inverted comma. We want to know how many female students are seniors. Close the parenthesis. So here we have two criteria, female and then senior. We get one. There is one senior female student. So now let's go to let's specify more than two criteria. So let's see how many count if ifs, and then you go to gender, and then we go to female, and then we go to label, comma, and then we want to see junior label, and then comma, and then we want to go to GPA, and we want to specify, you can type here, and then you specify GPA of more than 3.50, and then you close the inverted comma and close parenthesis. And this will, here we have three criteria. Female, we are looking for female, and we are looking for junior, and we are looking the students who have a GPA of more than 3.50. There are three students, female students, junior level, with a GPA of more than 3.50. That is how we use COUNTIF and COUNTIFS function. Thank you for watching this video. If it is helpful, please like, comment, and share. I will come with more videos. See you in the next video. Thank you.